Hey everybody, I hope you all are well. The Pisces season is almost there, and just like for all zodiac signs, I'm going to share with you a quick video about the readings for the sun sign of Pisces. Are you all ready? If yes, let us have a look at the reading. So, here are three sets of cards from the three decks as I mentioned, and this is stack number one, stack number two, and stack number three. So, I would ask you to take this moment, close your eyes, and probably say a gentle prayer that, Dear God, angels, universe, please help me choose the right deck, right set of cards which will help me give the answer to the question I have in my mind. And trust with all your heart that you're going to get the answer to your question. You can think of a question at this point of time and follow your gut instinct, guys. Just whatever thought comes first, whatever number comes first to your mind. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So don't second guess, don't analyze. Just choose what comes to your mind first. And now I'm going to show you the cards. So if you chose stack number 1, these are the cards for you. Let us see what are the cards. So as I always say, I do not do reverse tarot readings. So I always do just normal readings. So this particular card and along with is positive energy. So together these two cards here are saying that whatever situation you are looking at, probably you're surrounded with a lot of positive people and situations. You have made this, you're taken this opportunity to make sure that you let go of all the people in your life who are not serving your highest good. Looks like in the next 1 year, now as I said, this reading is from this birthday to next birthday, you will meet a lot of new people who will help you in whatever area of question you are asking for. So for example, if the question is related to your career or work, you might meet people, clients, or good co-workers, or if you're looking for a job, probably some good headhunters, or if you're looking for something in your personal life, you could meet like-minded people with whom you would become friends. Or if you're looking for a romantic relationship, maybe you are going to meet a lot of people. I don't see a date here, however, I see a lot of energy where you are meeting with like-minded people. So could be friends, could be as I said, co-workers or something. So I think a lot of professional people here might find someone who are looking in the same direction. So very good card for career. Now the next card is positive energy. So yeah, as I said, when you see these two cards together, you are going to be surrounded by a lot of positive people. Now let's see what the surrender card for you today is. So wow, I love this card. Isn't it beautiful? And I feel there is a lot of dolphin energy, and you know, Pisces is all a water sign, so dolphin energy is just beautiful. The card says surrender to miracles. So be open to miracles occurring in your life. Feel and know these events are real. And let go of any resistance and banish any doubt that miracles can happen. A Course in Miracles, a spiritual text, says that miracles are a normal way of life. So the moment you feel that miracles are normal, you will create more miracles in your life. So that was with the first stack of cards. Let's see what's the next one. Moving to stack number 2 now. So let's see what's in stack number 2. Okay, so alright, so looks like a lot of you are going to get some new opportunities. A new dawn is coming up on you. The worst is behind you and new experiences are coming. So I feel a lot of you are going through a lot of life changes. Probably the old patterns have been over and you're going to experience something new. I feel you'll have a lot of choice in your life about whatever question you are asking for. But be careful and make sure that when you make a choice, um, you choose something which you choose through love and not through fear. Now, what do you mean by choosing through love and not choosing through fear? Choosing through love is choosing something because you want to do that, and choosing through fear is doing something because you feel if you don't do it today, someone will take it away from you. Like for example, when you're choosing a job, or you are choosing a job, you give an interview and you get a job, and that job is really going to give you a lot of joy. That is a choice through love. Whereas when you're making a choice of job because you feel, okay, I'll take this job because otherwise there will be no other jobs available in the market, and sometimes people are paying you less than what you deserve, but you still say yes because you feel that this is exactly what you deserve. So make a choice through your heart. Do not make a choice with a scarcity mentality, and don't fall in traps of anyone telling you that you are not good enough. Now let's see what's the surrender card for you. Wow, surrender to success. So you are ready to experience abundance. Don't look at previous roadblocks, difficulties. Leap into exciting new world of possibilities. So I see so much connection with the three cards. The first card says that new dawn is upon you. You will have a lot of choices. Be careful of all the choices you would make, because eventually it's all going to take you to success. So amazing cards for stack number 2. I hope you all resonate with it. And let's now go to the third stack, which is this. Let's see what are the cards. Okay. Alright, so when I see the Hanged Man, I always see it as look at whatever you're asking for from a new perspective. A hanged man tells you to pause in life and to reflect back anything that you are not looking at. So probably you are, I always give this opportunity. Someone lost their job, okay, and they are just cribbing about it, and they are not even getting another job. And what are they going to do? And they feel stuck in life. At this point of time, if they look at it as a new perspective, that okay, I think I lost my job and I'm not getting a new one, probably I can start something till the time I get a new job, maybe a side hustle, or some of you are so talented at marketing, digital marketing, or so probably some of you are so talented and you can really start something totally of your own. And probably you are told to look at it from a new perspective. If you recently had a tough time in a relationship, look at the pros and cons. Look at what can you do to make the relationship better. What are the things that you can probably what changes can you make in your life. How can you heal the problems you have. Or there are times where people are in toxic relationships. So if you are in a toxic relationship, or if you were in a toxic relationship, it's better to walk away from it. So all of the situation what you are facing, I would say look at it with a new perspective. If people have been really bad with you, if you had co-workers who were difficult, or people who are difficult, it's time to know that people who are taking advantage of your goodness, maybe they don't deserve to be in your life, and it's time to say bye bye to them. And it's time to create a new place for a new life. The next card says consult an expert. So now that you have started looking at the situation in a different way, connect to an expert. So there are experts in every area. Go and find them. Talk to experts. I always tell people, and I follow this advice personally for myself. I believe that you always need to talk to an expert who can give you some really good advice. And I talk to many experts at the same time, because there is so much I can learn from every person. So consult an expert, find more information. Let's see what's the wow. So after you've looked at it from a new perspective, and after you're consulted an expert, surrender to rest and sleep. Let me give you a secret. You manifest the most when you sleep. That's an ideal time for you to manifest new things in life. And the more you rest and the more you sleep, the better opportunities will come in your life. So I hope this reading makes sense for all my dear Piscean friends. And I wish you all a very happy birthday. if your birthday is today when you're watching it, if your birthday is just gone, belated happy birthday. If your birthday is yet to come, I hope you have a fantastic birthday. Well, to book a personalized reading with me, you can drop in an email on ashwini.chube@unicorninsight.com. Kindly note that I do personal readings only on appointments. So to avoid any disappointment, please take an appointment. Okay, I know it's quite poetic. Disappointment and appointment. Yeah, but make sure that you drop an email earlier so that we can fix a slot for you and do a reading for you. Also, for more on my work, log on to my website www.unicorninsight.com. If you're watching this video on any of my social media, which is my YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, please make sure you subscribe, like, and share and follow me. Sending you lots of love and light. Thank you very much. Bye.